Today we'll see how the fish goes from the docks to the local markets to the restaurants. It is 5 a.m. and we are here at Sassoon dock. This dock was started in 1875, but that is a mass understatement because people have been fishing in this region for literally thousands of years. This dock is located on the Arabian Sea. Every day the boats bring the fish in. The fish is bought at wholesale prices, then sold again at the local markets to feed Mumbai's 20 million residents. I think there's a method to the madness. All the women walking alongside me have fish in their baskets, while the women walking towards me don't. It's like an assembly line. They come back this way and they drop off their fish, and then the fish are placed in these ice chests. Then the women head back out to get more fish. Off she goes! Let's head back to the boats to see what other fish is coming in. While the fish is being transported to local markets, we will head to a Mumbai restaurant called Hotel Shidori. There, we will learn more about Indian cuisine, and then later tonight, we'll go to the local markets, buy some fish, and prepare it for the restaurant guests. Welcome to Hotel Shidori. And here comes the shop's owner, Priyanka. This is Priyanka's first restaurant and she has owned it for 2 years. This is Malini and she's one of the main chefs here at the restaurant. This restaurant opens up at 9:30 a.m. so they serve breakfast food. So while they do food prep, we're going to ask some questions. Priyanka, are all Indians vegetarian?
खूप सारे लोक व्हेजिटेरियन आहेत, खूप सारे लोक नॉनव्हेज पण खातात, पण जास्त तरी लोक नॉनव्हेजच खातात. महाराष्ट्रात तरी मच्छी, फिश, मटन हेच खातात.
What ingredients are used more in this state, Maharashtra, compared to other Indian states?
इकडे फिश जास्त खाल्ले जातात.
What sets your restaurant apart from others?
बाकीच्या रेस्टॉरंटपेक्षा आपण सगळं घरगुती पद्धतीनं देतो. मसाले पण आपले घरगुती आहेत, घरी बनवलेले. जेवण पण घरच्यासारखं आहे. चपाती, भाजी किंवा आमची स्पेशल चिकन थाळी, चिकन स्पेशल थाळी, आळणी चिकन आहे.
On the restaurant breakfast menu is my absolute favorite Indian breakfast dish, and that's poha. What ingredients do you use?
पोहे, राई, जिरा, शेंगदाणा, कांदा, हळद, कोथिंबीर, कढीपत्ता, मिरची, लिंबू.
अच्छा,
चवीनुसार मीठ.
ठीक है. How long have you been a chef?
2 वर्षापासून इकडे करते हॉटेलमध्ये आणि बाकी काही मग घरीच करत होते.
All right, it's dinner time. This is Vaishali, and she's another chef here at the restaurant. Right now, she's making an Indian flatbread called chapati. Let's go get some fish. This is Smita, Priyanka's sister-in-law. She can often be found at the restaurant helping out. Together, me and her are going to go get some fish from the local market and then prepare it for the restaurant guests. Remember all those women we saw this morning at the fish dock? She's one of them. So she has brought the fish from the dock to the local market, and now we will buy them and take them back to the restaurant to prepare for guests. All right, let's head back. If you ever come to Mumbai, come to Hotel Shidori. Here's the address, and I'll put a link down below. So that's all for today, everybody. Thank you so much for watching my video. Be sure to comment below what content you'd like to see on this channel. Like and subscribe.